Welcome back to Sweden. Please take a number. Please lose your file. Please assemble your rights using the included hex key. Can't go back north, passport warm. Too many forms in a paper storm. Red tape thicker than grandma's rug. Press 1 for justice, press 2 for shrug. They say it's safe, it's neutral, it's fair, but try to ask questions, nobody's there. Statistics missing, oh that's fine, and a fetus sometime around 99. Flat pack freedom, missing screws. Follow instructions, you still lose. Sign here, stand there, wait your turn. Hope your child doesn't case file burned. Oops, it's been Epstein, nobody knows what happened. Everything's handled, everything's clean, except the parts we've never seen. We can't go back, the vibe's too tense. Too much justice with no evidence. Justice sold in a self-serve aisle, comes with a smile and a 40-page file. Rats sacred, they proudly cry while the paperwork learns to fly. Internal mammals, confidential vibe. Nothing to see here, just subscribe. Ask for numbers, pay the fee. Ask again, we disagree. Appeal denied, decision sealed. Transparency's on back order, not revealed. It's all perfect, open the books. If it's all honest, let us look. If it's all fine, why is it closed? Why is every question so opposed? Oops, it's been Epstein. Means the lights are on, but nobody's explaining. We just want facts, not bedtime tales. Not polite smiles with missing trails. Can't go back, the trust feels bent. Too many oops in the government. Flat pack justice, Allen key tied. Still doesn't make the system right.